What is going on, everybody? So today's video is just going to be a little bit different. I'm going to actually just show you guys a little bit of how I set up my backdrop and everything here at my house. You really do not need that much space to set up a backdrop. I'm going to set it up right now, but in a little bit, model's going to come and we're going to do the shoot here. And you guys can see that it works perfectly fine. I'm just working out of one flash. I'm going to be putting a few lights on the sides, that way the shadows are not as bad, especially because the color red tends to get a lot of really bad shadows compared to other colors, you know. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing, and then I'll show you guys a little bit on how I set this up, okay? We're gonna head to studio number 2 to go through the pictures.
Yay! Come, mijo.
Come, mijo. So my family always tells me, por eso estás bien flaco.
No, they always tell me that. They always tell me that.
I was like, it's my body.
I know. They're like, to my parents, they're like, oye, Amy está bien? Flaca. I'm like, do I look anorexic? Where?